welcome back to the English class of the 7th grade. Today we are going to talk about present continuous, laser activities and the modal verb can. Present continuous is one of the tenses in English, and it's used to describe an action that is going on at this moment. For example, I'm talking to you, and it is used to describe a temporary event or situation. For example, Nick usually plays the violin, but he is playing the drums today. You can see the words in red. You can see M and the suffix ing. So that means when we talk in present continuous, we have to use the verb to be, and the main verb should be in ing ending. To form a present continuous, as I said, we use present form of the verb to be and the main verb in present participle, ing ending. A positive form should be she is singing. You can see the subject in the first position plus the verb to be and then the main verb in ing. The negative form, again, subject plus to be plus not plus the verb in ing. For example, she is not or she isn't singing. And the question form, of course, we switch places of the subject with the auxiliary verb to be. For example, is she singing? In present continuous, stative verbs cannot be used. These verbs are verbs that are about thinking and feeling. For example, believe, love, like, know, recognize, hate, want, etc. Verbs of sense, feel, smell, sound, taste, look. And other verbs like agree, be, belong, need, own, etc. For example, I know the answer, and knowing the answer cannot be used in this case. There is always an exception. In this case, for example, I have an old car. The verb have shows a state, and it cannot be used in present continuous with an ing form. And I'm having a quick break. This shows an action, and it can be used in present continuous because we are talking about the break. Let's go with some exercises. You're going to make sentences in present continuous using the words that you can see. The first one. We aren't watching a DVD. We are playing a computer game. The second. Andrea is not surfing the internet. She is chatting to a friend online. The third one. Sam is not painting. He is taking photographs. The fourth. I am not cooking. I'm listening to music. The fifth one. Ali and Fran are not having a barbecue. They are eating in the kitchen. Let's go to the modal verb can. Can is used when we are talking about our abilities. We use can to talk about someone's skills or general abilities, as I said. For example, she speaks 5 languages. Nick can swim, and so on. The ability to do something at a specific time in the present. In this case, we use the modal verb can. I can't breathe. I can see the screw. Think about things you can do and give the sentence. For example, I can drive, or I can cook. Now, think about things that you can do and give the sentences for each one. Of course, using the modal verb can. Now we are going to talk about lazy activities. In our free time, we do things that we like to do. And some things that are considered as lazy activities are go jogging, play basketball, go to a party, ride a horse, play the guitar, take photographs, make sculptures. All of these are lazy activities, and we have a lot more, of course. Homework. For today, you are going to work on the workbook, page 7. You have the exercises about lazy activities, the modal verb can, and present continuous. This is all for today. See you in the next class.